Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to build this easy seat table in partnership with the Duck brand. The best thing about this table is it is very versatile and can be used in many different configurations. As always, you can get the plans for this on my website. The link is in the description below. I built the top and bottom by attaching 2x2 boards to the 1x12 boards on all sides. I actually made two of these, one for the top and one for the bottom. The 1x12s are attached using 1¼ inch pocket hole screws, and the 2x2s are attached using 2½ inch pocket hole screws. Very similarly, I also built a side piece where I only added the trim on two of the sides. To hide the pocket hole screws and to give it a chunky modern look, I also added an extra layer of the 1x12 underneath the top and the bottom and on the side. Now, it's time to assemble it together. I used wood glue and 2½ inch pocket hole screws to put together the entire seat table. Once it was stained and finished, I added casters to make it easy to move around. Now for the fun part. I added a lot of personality by adding strips of mirror to the table. I used the Duck brand mirror tape in silver, and I love how it adheres really well and adds the right amount of sparkle. I added it to the front and the back to give it almost an embedded mirror look. I love this side table and it is already getting lots of use in our house.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future projects.